In order to put together your Oriental tall cage, you will need the boxes of parts and a screwdriver. You may need another person's help with the assembly, but by following these instructions, you should be able to construct the cage in about 45 minutes. Your Oriental cage will ship by UPS and be delivered directly to your door. It will arrive in 2 separate boxes containing all the parts you'll need. Begin with the large base. The pull-out tray should already be in place. Pull the tray out and slide in the removable bottom grate on top of it. Both pieces should fit in the base nicely. Next, you will be attaching the front and back panels with the side panels. Notice the different edges on the top and bottom of the panels. The curved edge should go on the bottom, while the straight edge should go on the top. Connecting 2 panels at a time, slide the bottom edges into the curved lip of the base, then slide a rod through the overlapping holes on the corner of the panels. Make sure the rod goes all the way through the panels into the hole in the base. Repeat this process with the remaining 3 corners. Once this is done, your cage should look like this, all 4 panels in place and standing up on its own. Next, slide in one of the 4 indented posts over the corner of the cage. It should be attached tightly to the edging and cover the rod that was just inserted. Repeat this so that each corner is covered by a post. This is what your cage should look like with the 4 panels and edge posts in place. Next, slowly lower the Oriental roof onto the top of the cage. Line it up evenly as best as you can. There should be a few inches overhanging on each side. You will be using these small 4 pieces to attach the solid brass pinnacle to the rooftop. Simply put the small washer on the skinny screw, then push the screw through the hole from the inside of the cage. Place the black pinnacle support face down through the screw, then screw the brass pinnacle into place. In order to attach the roof to the rest of the cage, you will need these 4 large washers, small washers, screws, and nuts. Place the small washer on the screw, then place the screw through the hole on the roof. On the underside of the roof, place the large washer through the screw and screw the nut on tightly. Repeat this with the 3 remaining holes on the roof. This is what the roof should look like with the pinnacle and 4 screws in place. Now you can attach the cast iron wheels and doors. Simply lift the cage up partially and screw in the wheels one at a time using the provided wrench to tighten the nuts. Next, slide the front doors in from top to bottom and tighten all the screws on the cage with a screwdriver. This will complete the assembly of your Oriental tall cage. To maintain your cage, try Cage Clean, a hard-working yet gentle cage and accessory cleaner. See our website for hundreds of quality products like bending ropes, tunnels, and nesting pouches to accessorize your pet's cage.